What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video, and today we're talking iPad Pro 2018. Now, first, let me say this thing is beautiful. This is the damn. This is the design that I love the most that Apple created. This goes back to the iPhone 5, SE, all those iPhones. This is the best design I feel like Apple has ever had. All the 6, 7, 8, all that stuff is very uninspiring to me. I feel like next year, if we get this design on the next iPhone with the glass back, with the flat sides and flat back, I feel like that'll murder everything as far as looks wise. It'll be the most beautiful piece of hardware that came out in a long, long time. Now, there's been a lot of talk about this iPad about whether it can replace a laptop. And for people like me, this is actually going to replace my laptop. The only thing I needed my laptop for was to edit videos and yes, this might not do it as good, but that's what it's going to do for me. It's going to edit my videos. I can watch, full web pages on here versus using it on my note. So this is going to replace my laptop. No, it doesn't support a lot of, full versions of editing software and all that stuff, but a lot of us don't need that much, especially for us starting off on channels. Like I'm still starting out, so we just need something simple, easy, and that's going to do it. Now, yes, this is very expensive just to edit videos and watch videos and browse and all that stuff, but to me it's worth it. I believe that it's worth the price. I got the cellular version, so it's even more expensive. I think this one is like $950, but to me it's worth it. But this thing is it's beautiful. Like the cameras are amazing on it. I haven't bought the keyboard yet. I'm gonna get that in the next couple weeks. The bezels on here are crazy. This is the perfect bezel. Like I got big fingers and everything, and this is like perfect space to hold on the sides. Like if I'm gaming or watching something, this is perfect. Like I love that. But this iPad, I just wanted to talk about it real quick and tell you guys how much I like it. Now I'm gonna do a review on it soon, but this is just a quick video. But thanks for watching, and keep posted for the review coming up. Thanks.